How's it going, everyone? We're back. Another video on our Project 9.3. Today we're going to be doing quite a bit of work to the interior. This is a car that Lucas, Saving Saabs, and I picked up from a subscriber a couple months ago. Had a bad transmission. It's still got a leak from somewhere that we're going to diagnose here after we film all this interior stuff. It's got, a few issues, but one of the biggest issues is, well, just the mess that is this whole interior here. I mean, we have these seat buttons. It might be hard to tell on camera, but they're all just kind of broken. They still work, but they look hideous. They're all broken. We just vacuumed the car all out so that it's all clean now, but the seats themselves are all disgusting. This armrest, the center console is all cracked and destroyed. The back seats are pretty good, but as you can see back there, actually, we just picked up Aero rear seats and a center console from the junkyard, and Lucas is hooking it up, hard at work, grabbing the Aero front seats that we're gonna put in this thing, do some nice upgrades to it. There's a few other little pieces we're going to be swapping out, like it's missing a bunch of buttons and things like that. You can just see how dusty and gross this interior is. So I have some new buttons and things down there. So many little things, hopefully, that we'll be tackling in this video. So let's go ahead, get to it, roll the time lapse.
Drop the clutch, pedal to the floor, turn that giddy button to a lion's roar. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's slow this down, break the speed of sound. Tonight we all know. Dream machine, racing queen.
Both the front seats are plugged in, and before we went too far, I wanted to make sure we weren't going to get an airbag light here. So sure enough, we did. Went ahead, scanned the codes, and when we went through and scanned them, we got the same 2 codes that I had when I did the anniversary interior on my 9.3. And if you guys are wanting to see a more in-depth video on how to swap the interior or disassemble them on these cars, click up in the top corner. You can see what I'm talking about with that video. But I got these same 2 codes. Both of them relate to the passenger seat. When I got these 2 codes here, it's this ACM and BCM code. You can see front passenger seat position sensor and passenger seat sensor. So I think the ACM code is the one that actually causes the airbag light to come on. But we're gonna have to pull this seat back out at a later date, strip the cushion off, and essentially put it onto the old frame and old wiring. Again, that's what I had to do when I did the anniversary seats. If you want to see how to do that, it's about an hour and a half of work. It's a little bit tedious. You can click up here in the top corner. I've done it a couple times. It's not terrible. I think the last clip I filmed was like 3 hours ago. Lucas and I kind of went down a rabbit hole here, and we actually stripped the passenger seats from both of them. We're in the process of putting them back together. We had to swap a couple sensors over, pretty much do the identical thing I had to do when I put my anniversary seats in. So we're in the process of, we just got that cushion back on. Now I've got to put the backrest on the 03 frame and hopefully put it back in the car and not have any airbag light. It's now dark out, and we're ready. Finally put it in, and fingers crossed we will not have an airbag light. Let's see. Come on, baby. Stay off. Stay off!
Let's go!
Yeah! We fixed it, dude.
Dude, heck yeah.
Hell yeah. All right.
Engine light, but other than that,
Oh, no, that's just because it's... All right, we're going to boulder down. Said we weren't going to do it today, but dude, we did it today.
we did. And on top of that, we got a lot more done. New shifter, armrest, trim.
Yeah, we've got to pop this trim back in because we were moving it back and forth without starting the car asleep. Or putting it in neutral that way. Definitely could use a new one of these right here, but it's not perfect. Still needs a lot of work up here. So I think in the next video, we've got aero steering wheel for it. I think we'll probably fix some things like this. Fix that door handle over there. Don't know if you guys heard Lucas say it. He said he's got some ice blocks for it too. Maybe if she treats us nice, you know, she's looks like it's still leaking something. So lots to come in another video, but I was really hoping to get some good glamorous before and after shots. But I mean, wow. It's crazy how much. Just a simple detail up here, cleaning this all up, fixing this cracked center console, new armrest. I mean, this looks like a brand new car in here, and we still have so much more to do. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give Lucas a follow, Saving Saabs. If you're anywhere near Arizona and you need help getting your Saab looked at, hit him up on Instagram, and he'll help you out. But see you guys next time.
Take it easy.